Fans, this is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. What a shame and disgrace. Where are the people saying that May Edochie want to reconcile with Yul Edochie? Be like say una forget say children are involved in this case. Do you people know that today Daniela did her graduation? Today, Daniela did her graduation. Yul Edochie was nowhere to be found. Not because Yul Edochie don't want to go, because the children don't jump and pass. And any pit where they dig for you, jump and pass. Abi, is Yul Edochie not a pit where they dig for your children? Yul Edochie is a pit now. The time where Juju Ekwensu love the shaka like early morning akara and bread. If Juju Ekwensu tell you say buy your children that time, you go do. All in the name say they love. He was planning everything new. For Yul Edochie then, old things has passed away. Yul Edochie was taking his children as old things. The Daniela, the Kai, the Zin, the May Edochie. In the eyes of Yul Edochie then, they were old things has passed away. New things have come, which is Juju Ekwensu and her children. But unfortunately, before they even say, devil don't conquer their head, marriage does scatter. Now, Yul Edochie, according to what we heard, wanted to go to this graduation. Daniela warn her, give her a serious warning. Because now papa now they talk to pass. Because sometimes Yul Edochie, if they talk to her, I know they hear. So they will warn the father. So Daniela said, don't want to see him anywhere close around the building. You won't come disgrace and join a graduation. Haven't you done enough? God all bless her. She was able to come out with flying colors after all the drama when she went through. Now God do and she don't graduate. I beg, don't come anywhere close to my school. He no one see Yul Edochie anywhere close to her school. Make it come disgrace her. Make your friends come they laugh her. Let her enjoy her day. They say that word be like knife for inside Yul Edochie chest. The man go sit down, they cry, they think alive. Anyway, the information that got to us, they say Yul Edochie still buy gift when he say won't go give a pikin. And that gift, according to what we heard, was also rejected. The children not trust Yul Edochie again. That is the problem. There is somebody that lost his life and missed all this saga. Like, I don't know whether Yul Edochie know they sit down. The reason say 16 years old boy, not 1 year, not 2 years, 16 years old boy lost his life because of Yul Edochie reckless mistake. So what do you want the brother and the sister of Kambelichko to think that they should just trust you? No. May Edochie don't need to tell them. They were old enough to see things themselves. So we heard that Daniela even rejected Yul Edochie gift. The girl no accept them. So my lovely fans, according to another information we can reach our ear, now no say Yul Edochie not the year word. Some people said they saw him around the school where he was trying to go for the graduation. I don't know how true that one be, but that is what we heard. That some people said they saw Yul Edochie, that it was him that was trying to enter the school, but they not agree because Daniel had already informed them. So now, according to the information, Percy constantly carry matter. Go tell Juju Ekwensu say, today now Daniela they graduate too. If Papa buy a gift, we even hear say Papa they go the graduation. Now Juju Ekwensu think what to do, to scatter everywhere, to scatter, to destroy. You know she's a destroyer. For those of you that don't know, with waiting they happen, the little things when it they happen, now go know say this woman is a destroyer. Anytime you see, I don't know if Yul Edochie, should I put it like Yul Edochie got married to a woman sent from the pit of hell to destroy him. There is no two ways about it. Juju Ekwensu is those kind of women when they use to the fight person. Yul Edochie, maybe he has somebody offended in the industry and they want to get him. They couldn't get him because the papa they covered them well. So they know say like woman well. So Juju Ekwensu is that woman they sent to destroy Yul Edochie life. Yes. Because listening to this story, make you calculate am. You go know say wetin I dey tell you na truth. Now, Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water heard that Yul Edochie bought gift for the daughter. The daughter not even collect her. She's already jealous. Now, they constantly tell and say, they say Yul Edochie saying they go the show. What will she do to scatter everywhere? She can't carry Yul Edochie. Film where don't come out is how many months? 1 month ago, abi, or 2 months now. The film don't they go 1 month now. Where Yul Edochie film take come outside. When she did not even post, she did not even say anything about it. Surprisingly, film where they don't share. Surprisingly, Juju Ekwensu carry film go put for her page. When she know definitely that Yul Edochie is trying to avoid her when it comes to anything concerning his business. Juju Ekwensu come carry Yul Edochie film go put for her page. And Mumu fans, they are saying, oh, May Nation will be crying now. May Nation, they will be shocked. They will think it's AI. They will think it's a robot. They will think, what is wrong with you people? I know they use una brain. I know some are content creator on a bill. We are all content creator. I know say now on a be. But sometimes more they use on a brain. May Nation will be crying. Crying say post Yul Edochie film. What it concern us? Now people where they watch the film. Some people are watching Yul Edochie film because they think that Juju Ekwensu is no longer attached there. So if Juju Ekwensu post, how is it May Nation problem? Why Juju Ekwensu fans that they cry? May Nation, they posted, they will cry now. Juju Ekwensu posted that film. We don't know say Juju Ekwensu was on a mission. She's on a mission. That's why she cannot post in the day. Because in the night when people they sleep, she don't change to snake. They go everywhere, they attack everybody. She's always attacking. No? Hey, she's always attacking. Yes, now. Because if you do spiritual work, you know that there are some days you cannot even post, you cannot even walk because you did some spiritual work that will affect you physically and spiritual. What you need is proper rest. That one, you know, say you are doing something good. You are going on a mission that you did not send yourself, that God sent you. But you see Juju Ekwensu demonic mission where she they go. She know they see I till they meet up with her mates. Every night she's always on a mission, doing baba things. Now the year where she say yes, say Yul Edochie daughter, they do graduation today. Yul Edochie buy gift to won't go give her, and they say Yul Edochie is going. She rush, she go post Yul Edochie film. That Daniela will see it and say, oh, so my papa and this woman, they still there. Or my papa and this woman, they have plans just to scatter that relationship of father and daughter. That is where Juju Ekwensu is getting it wrong. That's why I always say she's fighting a lost battle. Because you see all these things where she dey fight, she's wasting her time. She dey fight, say, oh, let me scatter it. And if Yul Edochie go there now, maybe and the children go settle. Hey, don't they go meet the children? She's always afraid because she took her time. She did a lot of spiritual work to scatter these people. And surprisingly, they see say these people sometimes they communicate. That is not what she worked for. She did a lot of evil spiritual work against them. So as she hear, now she run go posts. Not knowing that the Daniela, they don't even have Yul Edochie time. Hey, they don't even send Yul Edochie. If Yul Edochie dey on top of billions today, his children not send them. They are not like you, Juju Ekwensu. The children are not like you. Where your eye they shook for waiting not be your own. Daniela had already let the papa know, say, Papa, go and live your life. The time we needed you most, you were not there. So what are we going to do with you now? In the time of trial, when we needed you most, you turned your back against us. So do you think that Daniela, they are fighting for Yul Edochie to come to her graduation? Daniela say make him not come. Yul Edochie no. They tell him, they tell his papa tell him say make him not go. Say Daniela say make him not come. The gift where Yul Edochie buy, Daniela don't return her back. Yul Edochie was, some people said, I don't know, I can't confirm it to you. Some people said it, that they saw him around the place. But Daniela did not see him. because Daniela said they should not allow him, in case he used stubborn head to come, they should not allow the father into that hall. So Juju Ekwensu, why are you crying? You run go dey post film when you not post is there, trying to distract you. You see, say only you dey fight yourself. Hey God, you are fighting a lost battle. You are not only fighting a lost battle, you are also fighting yourself. Yul Edochie now, they say in tears, he dey cry. Ask me wetin dey beat Oga Yul Edochie o. Make una ask me wetin dey beat this man. When they are doing bad, they go feel say they do on top of the world. The time the bad will be against them, they will start crying. What are you crying? Why are you crying, Yul Edochie? Nana, you know, say your daughter they graduate, and the painful thing, the most painful thing is that you cannot even stand by her side. Were you know the same person that gave birth to Universal Thunder, and you feel say the thunder is going to strike the whole world? Eh? You born Universal Storm. You give the child a name. Say the name will storm all of us. At the end of the day, you see how come and walk. It turned around and it stormed you and Juju Ekwensu. You gave birth to that child. Oh, my princess, my one only beautiful queen and princess. When you have another daughter, you were rejoicing as if you never born baby girl before. You were using mud, poto, to rub Daniela face. Say, rub her, they rub her. But the girl still use water wash and come out. Stand her ground. If not be say their mama na strong woman. These children for no fit stand. Daniela for no fit graduate. The small change where you still take the help, you stop paying. You go dey train Mr. Obasi children. Shey your eye don't clear now. When we dey tell you that time you dey dance, ese marriage for children get papa. You leave your own children. You dey help Mr. Obasi dey train his own. Is that not madness? Spiritual madness. That is called spiritual madness. Juju Ekwensu, they hail you because you are training our children and you are not training your own. And you call such a person a good person? How? How is she a good person? She know definitely that Yul Edochie have stopped paying the school fees, stopped sending money to his children. Juju Ekwensu come out and they praise Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie, they do everything because me Edochie not they reply. Say Yul Edochie is paying it, whereas now Mr. Obasi children, now they train. At the end of the day, go and see Mr. Obasi children. Go see as they be. Because you cannot take another person glory, give another person. It go backfire. The man, they cry now. Why are you crying? When you they dance, they train Mr. Obasi children, they dance with Juju Ekwensu, abandon your children. Did you remember that Daniela will graduate? If me Edochie lazy like Juju Ekwensu, Daniela for not graduate today. She for not graduate today. Me Edochie would have stopped her from school, say, we not fit pay school fees. I not fit pay. Everybody for theirs, though, they manage what they see. As Juju Ekwensu and Mr. Obasi children, they manage what they see, they hit for Abuja now. That would have been the same situation of me Edochie. But the woman stood up, trained her children, gave them the best. And today, the child is doing her graduation, you they cry. For picking where you don't know as they end school, they finish school. If to say they follow your footsteps, those children would have been at home. They would have been at home. Daniela would have been a dropout. Imagine an intelligent child like that. You go, they train mad dog, Mr. Obasi children. Today now, Mr. Obasi, they curse you for the good way you do for your children. You see, huh? They curse you on top. And now you know, say your children get value. I laugh in Chinese. So you see the wickedness of Juju Ekwensu. This is what a lot of people dislike about this woman. This is what a lot of people dislike. She don't know when to talk. She don't know when to go silent. At a very unusual time, when she's supposed to be active on social media, she not go there because in the night, she don't use and take go different. She don't use in the night, take go different mission, go they attack people. The reason why she went to post Yul Edochie film, now be this. For her mind now, as she post that film, the Daniela go the verse. Daniela will say, hey, see, she don't post again. I don't want to see you. That is a plan. Wickedness from the pits of hell. Level 99 is the highest of the wickedness in the spiritual realms. That is what she possesses. This is pure wickedness. But what she don't know, she's fighting herself. Daniela no send. None of your children send her. Me Edoshe no send her. Nobody send her. Now you send. Now you they look in face. So you think posting what you post today will destroy everything? You just carry go post. Who ask you? Who send you? Just to scatter. The spirit of scatter just to follow you. The daughter of Jezebel. Destroyer. Destroying people's family. Destroying the joy in family. Home wreckers. My people, wonder shall never end though. Wonder shall never end. Juju Ekwensu don't know that she's fighting a lost battle. What Juju Ekwensu don't know is that she's fighting a lost battle. You see, for me, Edoshe side, nobody send you, Juju Ekwensu. Nobody send you. Even the Yul Edoshe where you they cry for, nobody send her. If the Daniela can package him, they go package and they can't give you. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you, inshallah.